Good morning, everybody. Welcome to another episode of Sawdust Diaries. This one's going to be a little different. So first off, I want to apologize because I had a really cool project all lined out and I ran into some issues, and I'll show you that here in just a second. Mom and Dad are down in Phoenix right now for 4 or 5 days taking care of some stuff, so me and Amy are kind of running things. The biggest sale of the year is coming up in 4 days. So you're seeing this on Sunday the 23rd, Thanksgiving, which is the 27th at 9 p.m. Arizona time. Everything on the website is going to be on sale. Now, we're doing something a little bit different. The router bits and the beginner kits, those are going to be 10% off, okay? And then the base plates and all the merch, those are going to be 25% off. Everything else that's made out of wood that we make here on the property will be 50% off. That's the starter packs, the stencils, everything and anything that we make is going to be 50% off. So again, this is going to be different than we've ever done. It's just me, Mom and Dad, and Amy. And our friend C is going to be helping too. So we have to get to work big time to get these stocks up. But let me show you the issue I ran into on this project because I've never experienced this before. So this is going to be a hanger for my plate carrier. And this is some of that alligator juniper. We did a video on salvaging that stuff, I don't know, a week or two back. This is the first time I've ever carved it, and it carved great. But look at this real quick. This has probably a can and a half of clear on it. And these dark spots and then some over here, it just keeps soaking it up. Now, I called Dad, and Dad gave me a couple of tips, and I tried them and they didn't work. One of the things we were thinking about doing with this is actually doing a flood pour, but that's not really my style. This is gonna go in my office, my plate carrier is gonna hang on it. That's just not what I'm looking for. So we're gonna put this aside until Dad gets back. Now, before anybody says anything, we got a comment on the channel a week or so ago that said something like, the old guy's cool, but the father's a cool guy, but the son gets on my nerves. Sorry, it's just who I am. Been that way forever. So I don't want to just sit here and say that I need Dad's expert opinion, because I will not say that. But I do need somebody with much more experience to be here to help me out. And we're going to do this on a future video and figure it out and show you guys exactly what we did. And there is one more thing I want to mention, guys. USPS has been lagging. Right? Now, I can't just blame it all on them. I mean, it's the holiday season. This is their busiest time of year. I get it. But we have been getting some calls saying like, hey, where's my package? You know, we are getting everything out at least next day, right? Usually, if you put an order in before 2 o'clock our time, we usually get it out in the mail that day. Once it leaves our property, we have zero say in what happens. We don't have any special access to talk to the people at UPS or anybody in charge than anyone else out there. If you guys sent something to a friend and it got lost, we're in the same boat you are. We have no special access. So the tracking number is all we can see. So if you place an order and we get it shipped out ASAP, we are relying on USPS to get it to you as soon as possible. So just do me a favor, have a little bit of patience and realize that these mail carriers, man, they are busting their butts for the most part to get everything out, get everything done. But it's a big system and there's a lot of packages going on out there. All right, guys, check out the website, browse. Anything that you've been waiting all year to get, now is the time. Wait, not now. Thursday, Thanksgiving night, from Thanksgiving night, November 27th at 9 p.m. Arizona time through December 1st at 9 p.m. Arizona time. There's everything on the website's on sale. Also, we have gift cards, guys. If you are looking for that special carver in your life, but you have no idea what they have or what they need, we got a ton of gift cards. So keep that in mind too. All right, guys, I hope everybody has an amazing Thanksgiving. I know we're going to. This is going to be the biggest Thanksgiving we've had in several years. I'm freaking stoked. I'm excited. All right, guys, we'll see you later. Bye.